Welcome to Jesus in a Tortilla. We got kind of a different one for you today. I'm kind of excited for it, but I also think it's going to be kind of weird. I can't remember what the name of it is because it's way too long, so I'm going to have to read it. But there's a picture of it, and you'll see the real thing in a second or two. It's called the, I'll let you look at it first. It's the Spinach Artichoke BLT Crispy Chicken Sandwich. So it's got that great dip we all love at Applebee's, spinach and artichoke dip, and it's on the sandwich. So let's read a little bit about it, because that's what this is. It's homework. This sandwich says it all. Sure it does, because it's all in the title. It starts with a savory spread of spinach artichoke dip. Then comes the lettuce, tomato, and crispy hardwood smoked bacon. It's finished with an all-natural chicken fillet and served on Milwaukee's own Pretzilla pretzel bun. But it's only around for a limited time. I got one for you. I'll tell you what it's like. And there you go. You gotta wait a while. I don't know if you've ever been to Culver's before. You order your sandwich and you gotta pull forward and wait. It's alright. It means it's fresh. What do we got? It was $6.50 for the sandwich. No drink, no fries, just a sandwich. What's going on here? What's going on here? Okay. Oof, that is not a pretty picture of lettuce. First impressions. It's like a spring mix, so the heat wilts it very quick. That's what happens with spinach and whatnot. There's your chicken. There's some bacon. There's some tomato. And the main thing and you can't even see it, but it's got, can't even see the artichoke and spinach dip, but it's on there. And we are gonna get rid of this bacon. We're not gonna get rid of the bacon, we're gonna get rid of the tomato. But there you go. It was not a pretty picture. It's hard to show some of these sandwiches. Smells different. Remember, this is your spinach and artichoke BLT chicken sandwich on a pretzel bun. All right. Good bacon. Tastes like breakfast bacon. It is smoky. Okay, here we go. Let's try that again. Kind of tough. Diet Mountain Dew, best in the biz. That's the sound I make if I don't know what to say about something. It's not very flavorful. I actually kind of like the flavor of the artichoke spinach dip, but it's really mild and you just barely pick it up. And it's really, there's no zing at all. I wasn't expecting there to be heat, but it's just really mild, kind of bland. I love that pretzel bun. I could eat those on everything. If I could critique this, I would say they need even more of the spinach artichoke dip. But there's actually a lot on there, believe it or not. It's just kind of mild. I can say Culver's has a superior piece of chicken for the sandwiches. Real tasty. Real good crust. It's nice and thin. I like that. It's definitely not offensive. It's not a strong flavored sandwich. It's not something you're going to be like, oh, I think everybody will kind of like it, because it's just kind of middle of the road. I do like the spring mix being on there, because iceberg lettuce really doesn't have any vitamins or minerals, but this green stuff does. So you get a little bit of healthiness out of this. There I go again. I'm gonna have to say I'm going for a 7. I'm tired. I'm gonna say, sorry, the neighbors were mowing their lawn at 7 a.m. this morning. You gotta let the dew get off the grass before you can mow anyways, you dip. Sorry, just cranky. I'm gonna have to give this, it's not a strong score, I'm gonna give it a 7. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.